Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 or 10 randomly black screen and muted goes black. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first of all in the search box type a device manager, open device manager. Select a display adapter and expand it. Select a display adapter driver. Right click on update driver. Click on search automatic from drivers. Click on search for update driver on Windows Update. If any updates available, then download and install in your PC. So in my case is a downloading already completed and installing will be started. It's required of a few minutes to complete those process. After completing that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager. Click on display adapter and expand it. Select a display adapter driver. Right click on update driver. Click on browse my computer from drivers. Click on let me pick from a list available driver on my computer. Select a version or a model. After I click on next to continue. After doing this step, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. The next method is that in the search box type a edit power plan. After doing this step, make sure that the highlight performance is make sure that selected a never and never. So in my case is already selected a never. After that, click on a change advanced power settings, and after that select the PCI Express, expand it. Select a link state power management and expand it, and make sure that its settings will be selected at off. So in my case already selected. After that click on save settings and close it, and after that restart your computer, and I am sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.